Hey YouTube, Mike with Mike's Mini Motors here. Welcome back to another video. This is going to be our 500 subscriber giveaway 2.0 winner announcement. If you guys didn't see the video, about a week ago I posted one just saying that we were redoing the video or the giveaway, excuse me, because nobody ever got a hold of me to claim their prizes. So I still want to give back to you guys, so I'm doing it again, and that's where we're at. So all you guys needed to do was leave me a comment on that video. Really simple, and I ended up getting, I believe it was 37 of you guys that left comments, and a lot of you guys left some feedback, and it was great to hear that. I really appreciate you guys giving me the feedback, and I just appreciate you guys just getting involved, and you know, without you guys I wouldn't be doing this. So I'll make this short, and let's go ahead and grab this camera and get it into my office where we will do the drawing and actually find out who the winners are. So let's just jump right into that. Alright, so here we are in my office, and I'll also do a screen capture of this here so you guys can see it actually better than what it looks like here on the screen. So what I did is I made a spreadsheet with the names of everyone who commented, and this order here is just straight down the YouTube comment list. I didn't sort it by alphabet or anything like that. So there ended up being 37 of you guys, so I got your guys' names in this list. And then I also have here in Google, a random number between 1 and 37. And that will pop up their little generator here. So we are going to go ahead and just pull a random number, and that's going to determine who the winner is. And we'll start with third place, up to second, and then first. So first off, we have third place, which is a Mike's Mini Motors shirt or t-shirt. And let's see who's the winner of that one. Okay, and generate. Number 15, which is Fran Paulino. So congratulations, Fran. You won yourself a Mike's Mini Motors t-shirt. Alright, now we got second place, which is a $50 Rolling Range gift card and a Mike's Mini Motors shirt as well. So we'll hit generate one more time. Number 12, which is Rachel Montefusco. Hopefully I pronounced that right. So congratulations, you won second place, which is the $50 Rolling Range gift card as well as the Mike's Mini Motors shirt. And now we have the first place, which is a $100 Rolling Range gift card and a Mike's Mini Motors shirt. Shirt, excuse me. So, alright, drum roll, and then we'll do the one more generate and see who our first place winner is. So, 14. Brady Moore. So congratulations, Brady Moore. You won yourself a $100 Rolling Range gift card and a Mike's Mini Motors shirt. All right, there we have it. We've got all three of our winners. Congratulations to Fran, Rachel, and Brady for winning our prizes. But what I need from you guys now is to send me a message on either Facebook Messenger or on Instagram, and I will put a link in the description of the video that's got links to my Facebook and Instagram, and then I'll also put it across the bottom of the screen here just so you can visually see it there. Because if you guys don't reach out to me, I don't know how to send you your stuff, so go ahead and do that. And yeah, thanks a lot again to all of you guys who subscribed and checked out my content. I appreciate you guys. That's the reason I'm doing these giveaways and stuff like that, so thanks a lot. And since I got you, one more thing I want to show you guys. I just picked this up yesterday. Right here, this is a 06 Honda Metropolitan. Finally got my wife talked into riding a bike with me. So we picked this up over in Seattle, and got a few plans for it. At least she's pretty mild when she comes to customizing things, but I'll see if I can work my magic. But anyways, thanks a lot guys, and I'll see you next time.